Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your current prepaid card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new current prepaid card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate via the Current mobile app. Open the Current app on your smartphone, log into your account, navigate to the Card section, and select Activate Card. Follow the on-screen instructions, enter your card details, and complete the activation process. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your current prepaid card by calling the customer service number listed on the sticker attached to your card. Follow the automated prompts and provide your card details along with any required personal information. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive confirmation through the app or during your phone call. Your current prepaid card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Step 5. Set up mobile and online access. To manage your card efficiently, make sure your current mobile app is fully set up. This allows you to monitor transactions, deposit funds, pay bills, and manage your balance easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.